Hello guys, things you must do before joining a B school. Fine. So there are the hard facts. One is what should you learn. And so in terms of topics, accounts, grounding in accounts is kind of very important. One sufficient handle of probability and statistics is important. These are the hard topics. Engineers sometimes tend to be comfortable with probability and statistics, clueless about accounts. Commerce and economic grads are comfortable with accounts, but they're one step behind in probability and statistics. So amp both of these up. Beyond this, general awareness about the world of management, adding one layer of marketing and economics is useful. Right? But the hard topics are probability and statistics and accounts. Everyone who goes in should have some basic understanding of both of these. If you've done your commerce or your chartered accountancy, then accounts come naturally to you. Amp up probability and statistics. If you've done engineering, then probability and statistics kind of come naturally to you. Attack accounts, basic accounts, bookkeeping, what is a P&L, what is balance sheet, what is cash flow, broad frameworks, so that you're not spooked off by the jargon on day one. Second thing, in terms of this is a topic that you should know. Skill set wise, getting comfortable with Excel is super important. Getting comfortable with PowerPoint is super important. You will learn how to pitch ideas, gather the thoughts of many people, break it in one concise, powerful presentation and deliver that. So PowerPoint comfort and Excel comfort, super important. These two things that you need to add on. Probably business writing is the third thing that I would recommend. All three are important. All three are going to be useful skill sets for life. So amp these up. Excel, PowerPoint, business writing. These are skill sets, not in terms of subjects or topics, but skill sets to come in. Right? So, rest of all, understand that no matter how well or keenly you're prepared, you're going to be surprised by a bunch of things there. Eat well, sleep well, focus, spend time on your health and fitness. You're going to go into a very hectic time. Manage your mind. Go in with an open mind. Go in with the understanding there's going to be a tough ride, at least for the first 3 months. Shed away all of this mild bitternesses that you may be carrying, saying I should have really got into college number 7. I'm stuck with college number 16. No, stuck with business. Whatever college you've got, join with the saying, look, I'll be a fantastic alumnus or alumna from this place. I'll do really well. I'm going here to have the best experience of my life. And whatever happens, what I'm throwing into these next 2 years is going to be fantastic. Carry that attitude. Don't carry this backlog I should have actually been in a better college like this. That's the worst thing that you can do, entering into a college. And so don't do that. Go in with optimism, with enthusiasm, with curiosity, with an extraordinary willingness to learn and absorb experiences all the time. And super important. The other side, some people carry over intensity. They go in saying, मेरा तो इतना खर्चा हुआ, इतना तो salary आना ही चाहिए. I need to be here. I need to get this much rank and this much thing. And then you ruin your experience by adding extra pressure onto yourself because you think you need to be going to some places. And again, it's not necessary. And so, excellent attitude-wise, wonderful curiosity, willingness to learn, one basic enthusiasm. Whether you have 0 years of experience or 4 years of experience, go in with childlike happiness about you, for the idea that you're learning something. And so this is a very nice scene in 3 Idiots. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है सर, कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, बचपन से पढ़ने का इंटरेस्ट था, डिजायर था. It's nice. So go in with that level of crazy attitude towards learning. Right? Super important. After you join, when you go there, quite a few people struggle with the first term because of how intense it is. They struggle with a level of imposter syndrome. Everybody does. Don't worry about it too much. Struggle with diets and stuff. So to manage all of those as well as possible, eat well, have other ways of managing your diet if the mess food doesn't agree with you really well. But those small details are very important. Make sure you hang out with a good bunch of friends, 4 good friends and one decent professor, and you can sail through any trimester. And most of these IIMs, most of the B schools are wonderful places. They put you under stress because some of them believe that's where you're forged, and that is where you're forged. It's very important. But they don't. The better colleges at least don't revel in putting their students under stress. They don't. It's incidental. You learn, there's lots of work, you manage to cope, you come off better for it. That's the idea. I will put them under a scanner and drive them mad to make sure that anything else is easier in their life. It's a nonsense attitude to have. 1 or 2 colleges have it, but so far, touch wood, great many colleges have a lovely attitude towards treating their freshers and first year students and second year students as well. And so the hard topic that you need to learn, skills that you need to learn, most importantly, one joyful attitude that you need to carry towards the idea of being curious and learning. Keep that with you. Best wishes in your MBA.